Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, we're going to continue our lectures on configure and manage firewall in Linux. In our previous lessons, we've looked at what firewall is, we've looked at how firewall works in Linux, we've looked at firewall D, we've looked at firewall D zones, we've looked at some basic configurations of firewall D zones. So in today's lesson, we're going to look at firewall D services. Firewalld is a very simple concept. It's just the combination of ports and protocols, and sometimes IPv4 and IPv6 destination entries. Just as we have predefined zones, we also have predefined services. So an administrator can choose to create or use their own services or either use the predefined ones. To see all the predefined zones on the system, use the command firewall cmd get services. Okay, so this will show you all the services on the system. For example, we have the RH Satellite 6 service, Amanda client, Amanda K5 client. There are lots of them. To see the configuration or information of these services, you need to go to the location of where these services are, which is USR library firewall e services. Okay, so you can see all of these services and they are all in XML file, right? So for example, to look at the samba.xml file, okay, I can just concatenate this file, samba.xml, okay? So you can see all the information of this service. Don't forget, I said it's a combination of ports and protocols. So you can see the port that this service has, and you can also see the protocols. Okay, so you can choose to use a predefined zone, and you can choose to create your own. A predefined service this time around, and you can choose to create your own service. Okay, for example, if you're configuring Red Hat Satellite, you can just you might want to use this Red Hat Satellite service without configuring or creating your own service. It all depends on what you want to do. Okay, so to create a service, a firewall this service, you would need to follow the XML template just as the ones in the predefined template. Okay, and it's best you create your own service in the location etc firewall b. All right, then services. It's best to create your own services here. All right. So for example, if I want to create a service called TechNet2, all I will just do is to copy one of the templates and use that template to create my service. Okay, let's do that, which is copy. Let me copy from here. Library. Okay, let me copy the samba.xml file. Don't forget, I said it's best to do your configuration in this location. Technique. Oops, sorry, technique 2.xml. All right, make sure it has the extension XML. Now let's edit the file to suit what we want it for. I want to add port 2020 to this file. Okay, so I can just say in the description. All right, I can just write whatever description I want to write here. Oops. Let's put something here. This option is for a technique service based on this tutorial. All right. And I want to add port 2020. Let me just do this. I want to port 2020. Okay. And 2020. Okay, let me use the same port, and I'm just going to do I'm just going to use the same port, and I'm going to use different protocols. Okay, 2020. Let me use one should be TCP while one can be UDP. Okay, so I think that's all. I need to remove this. I also need to edit this. This is technique. Technique. All right, so I can save the file. Of course, when you create a service, the next thing to do is to attach the service to a zone, just as we've said in the previous class or in one of the previous classes. So in our next class, we'll look at the general basic firewall configuration and how to attach a service to a zone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.